Hello everyone. Today we will learn about idioms in the English language. Let us try to learn about them together. And always remember that learning is super fun. An idiom is a group of words, or in other words, a phrase that has a meaning different from the literal meaning of the words in it. Let us learn about the most common idioms in the English language along with their meanings. The idiom is apple of my eye. Apple of my eye. Its meaning is used to refer to someone whom you are very fond of or like. The idiom is kill two birds with a stone. Kill two birds with a stone. Its meaning is achieve two results by doing one thing. The idiom is cold feet. Cold feet. Its meaning is becoming nervous. The idiom is to break someone's bubble. To break someone's bubble. Its meaning is to do or say something that proves someone else's beliefs are not true. The idiom is walk on eggshells. Walk on eggshells. Its meaning is to be very careful with your actions and words. The idiom is through thick and thin. Through thick and thin. Its meaning is at all times, both good and bad. The idiom is beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. Its meaning is not saying directly. The idiom is under the weather. Under the weather. Its meaning is feeling ill/getting a cold. The idiom is steal someone's thunder. Steal someone's thunder. Its meaning is directing the attention and doing something to gain praise and preventing another person from gaining praise. The idiom is better late than never. Better late than never. Its meaning is to do something rather than not doing. The idiom is leave no stone unturned. Leave no stone unturned. Its meaning is to look everywhere without missing a spot or to take every effort possible to achieve something. The idiom is a blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise. Its meaning is something that you think is bad but turns out to be a blessing. The idiom is cup of tea. Cup of tea. Its meaning is not something that a person would do. The idiom is blue in the face. Blue in the face. Its meaning is to be exhausted due to strain or anger. The idiom is let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Its meaning is reveal a secret carelessly. The idiom is elephant in the room. Elephant in the room. Its meaning is a controversial problem or a major issue. The idiom is to say in a nutshell. To say in a nutshell. Its meaning is to sum up the points and be brief. The idiom is a piece of cake. a piece of cake. Its meaning is an easy task. The idiom is get your act together. Get your act together. Its meaning is to stop fooling around and do something in the way it should be done. The idiom is on top of the world. On top of the world. Its meaning is a state of extreme happiness. The idiom is time is money. Time is money. Its meaning is to work quickly in the time that is left. The idiom is like two peas in a pod. Like two peas in a pod. Its meaning is be together always. The idiom is catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar. Catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar. Its meaning is getting what you want by being nice. The idiom is let someone off the hook. Let someone off the hook. Its meaning is releasing someone or letting someone go. The idiom is it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Its meaning is not that difficult to comprehend. The idiom is spill the beans. Spill the beans. Its meaning is reveal a secret. The idiom is pull the last straw. Pull the last straw. Its meaning is the final point in a series of unfortunate events when you feel you cannot take it anymore. The idiom is that ship has sailed. That ship has sailed. Its meaning is it is too late to do something. The idiom is on thin ice. On thin ice. Its meaning is used to refer to a sensitive scenario or a person who is in trouble. The idiom is give a cold shoulder. Give a cold shoulder. Its meaning is act rudely to someone. The idiom is no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Its meaning is suffering or making efforts is required to achieve something. The idiom is pull someone's leg. Pull someone's leg. Its meaning is to make fun of someone. The idiom is takes two to tango. Takes two to tango. Its meaning is two persons are equally responsible for what is happening or has happened. The idiom is see eye to eye. See eye to eye. Its meaning is have the same opinion or have the same point of view. The idiom is when pigs fly. When pigs fly. Its meaning is when something uncanny or impossible happens. The idiom is curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat. Its meaning is asking too many questions or involving too much in other people's affairs will get you into trouble. The idiom is the best of both worlds. The best of both worlds. Its meaning is good in every way. The idiom is burn bridges. Burn bridges. Its meaning is do something to spoil relationships. The idiom is the whole 9 yards. The whole 9 yards. Its meaning is refer to everything that is there. The idiom is grass is greener on the other side. Grass is greener on the other side. Its meaning is never being satisfied with what one gets. The idiom is every dog has its day. Every dog has its day. Its meaning is everyone gets a chance. The idiom is wrap your head around something. Wrap your head around something. Its meaning is try to make sense about what is going on. The idiom is cry over spilt milk. Cry over spilt milk. Its meaning is worrying or complaining about something that cannot be fixed/rectified. The idiom is do something at the drop of a hat. Do something at the drop of a hat. Its meaning is do something unplanned. The idiom is get wind of something. Get wind of something. Its meaning is to have information about something secret. The idiom is take everything with a pinch of salt. Take everything with a pinch of salt. Its meaning is refers to being skeptic and not believing blindly. The idiom is walk in the other's shoes. Walk in the other's shoes. Its meaning is to understand what the other is going through. The idiom is break the ice. Break the ice. Its meaning is to make people feel comfortable with those who are unfamiliar to them. The idiom is every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. Its meaning is there is always some good in everything that happens/something good will happen after something bad. The idiom is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Its meaning is very rarely. These are few of the most common idioms used in the English language. Watch the video again to revise and see how many do you remember.